Hey everyone, it's Kelly at PicoPixl. So in the last video, we used Claude AI and vibe coding to create a classic version of the game Pong, and it turned out really well. Claude did a good job generating the game, giving it all of the basic functionality and gameplay mechanics of your standard Pong game. We asked it to do some interpretations to give it neon effects and whatever it thought would work well. And overall, I think it turned out pretty great. It's been a lot of fun to play. So in this video, I thought we'd tackle another game. And for this one, we'll do a real classic game, Snake. The original Snake game came out, I think, in the late 1970s, but it really was made popular on the Nokia series of handheld dumb phones before smartphones, for those of you that remember that. And so, yeah, I thought we would take the AI and we would run a couple prompts through it. Similar to Pong, we'll ask it to give its own interpretation of what the game should look like, along with our neon style that we're going for, and see how it turns out. So the way that we've been kind of doing this so far is sort of a 1-2 process of taking an initial prompt that I write up that sort of gets the ideas out onto the paper. I feed that into Claude AI to give it a second pass at creating another prompt that might be a little bit more descriptive and give some better thoughts around what could make a good game. So we're going to do that again here. We're going to start with my prompt and we'll feed it in. Okay, yeah, so here's the original prompt that I wrote. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this whole thing over and I'm going to put it into the AI and I'm going to ask it to sort of massage it and rework it to come out with something hopefully a little bit better. Okay, great. So it went and took my original prompt and it created something a little bit more cohesive. So now we're going to go ahead and take that and we're going to copy it and we're going to put it into a new instance to ask again. And hopefully from there, we'll get our game built. Okay, so in like the other videos that we've seen, it's going to go and generate all of the code. It's going to start with the CSS at the top. It's going to put HTML next, any scripting at the bottom, and finish it all off. Hopefully there won't be any problems with the context window on this one. Like we saw before in Pong where it had problems, it stopped sort of halfway through and we were able to tell that there were issues because we couldn't click on the buttons and things like that. So hopefully it won't happen this time. We tried to keep it pretty small and simple. Snake obviously isn't that advanced of a game, so we'll let it run, we'll see what happens, and as soon as it's done generating, we'll give it a shot. Okay, and it's done with its generation. Now, I do think I saw that it got all the way to the end, so hopefully it's a promising sign that it's going to work. So let's go ahead and click on Start Game. Just a quick note, use arrow keys to move, press P to pause. That sounds good. Let's go ahead and start the game and see how it goes. Okay, not too bad. Looks like we're able to go around, we're able to get the fruit. Well, sometimes we're able to get the fruit, not that time. Looks like it added a cool effect so that when we actually get the fruit, it flashes. That's pretty cool. That's me asking it to interpret it and just try to give it its own flair. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Okay, so we got two objects on here. Let's see what that means. There's our normal fruit. Okay, maybe so I'm supposed to grab the special fruit instead. And the game's over. So, all right, this is pretty cool. I'm going to play through it real quick again just to do some bug testing and see what that special fruit does, and then we'll wrap things up. Okay, well, I was never able to get the fruit to come back up, so do me a favor, play through the game, try to find that fruit, and in the comments let me know exactly what it does, because I'm super interested to see what exactly it decided to do there. So okay, so that's Snake. It turns out pretty well. I think it's a fun game. I'm going to go ahead and upload that to the site so that we can all start playing it. Like I said, leave me a comment, let me know what that fruit does. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. I'm having a ton of fun making these and learning about it and getting games up on the site, so Hopefully you're enjoying them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any content, and tell your friends, because it really helps us out to get more views and get the website out there so that people can start playing with it. So thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.